Hello, my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and welcome to another version of a question I get asked. And I get asked on how to stay focused on the mix and not get stuck in the mix and not to overthink and overwork a mix. And how I do this. And my answer to this is quite simple. I just stop. I basically stop. If you watch my live streams, I only did 2 to that point. Doing another one on Sunday, which you don't see because this video is coming out after the whatever. I just stop. So these live streams are like an hour-ish long, maybe 1.5. But I don't think I can stick any longer to one song. This is all I can put into one mix, like an hour or something. And so that's my way of not getting stuck. I will not tweak a snare drum or anything or a vocal for hours. I'm just not doing it because I get bored so fast and I get distracted so fast. And I rather spend the time drinking a coffee, watching the YouTube video, and then going back or mixing something or working on something completely different and then coming back than being stuck in the same song, the same problem for hours. And this is just a skill I don't have. If I watch my wife programming, she's stuck in one thing for hours, and she can do this probably, but I can't. I simply can't, and so I get around this by just switching to something else. And I think it's worth trying it out. Because as we're working in music, we get fatigued, but it matters what we hear and how we interpretate that way. The stuff we hear and work on it. So it's really personal experience thing. I hope it makes sense what I'm saying. Which means if you're not 100% into it, you will not be working on a maximum level. So yes, obviously you can do like stupid tasks like editing. I can do all the time. If I'm tired and it's 2 a.m. in the morning, I can still edit guitars or drums or whatever. And cut out sections and stuff like that. This is something I can do all the time. But mixing and making decisions based on my experience and my interpretation of the material given, I think this is something you can only do when being 100% fit and being motivated to do it. So I can only do it in a sweet spot. In a headspace sweet spot, and it's hard enough to do it on a specific hour every Sunday, like I try to do these mix live streams every Sunday morning. So if I'm not feeling 100% up to the task, I will not do it. I will simply not do it. I will simply not mix something I don't feel comfortable in. If there is something I have to do right now because a client asked me to and there's a deadline coming up and whatnot, I will make a second version, call it an alternative mix or something, trying to achieve what the client asked me to do and second guess it later. And write the client, this is what I think is right, I'm not 100% sure, please check back and let me know. And I will fix it ASAP. So, if you're mixing and you struggle to get something right, or you don't think you can achieve the sound you're looking for, maybe just stop, work on something else, take a walk, eat some food, watch a series or something. Just relax, switch off, or switch to something different, and then come back. And maybe that's the solution to your problem. Let me know how you deal with situations like that, and write down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't have already. And thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.